Africa, the land that we belong. Yebo, greetings. Right now I'm at Bamburi Cement premises. And this is the first 3D house in Kenya. For those who don't understand 3D printed houses, you go check it out on Google or YouTube. But this is the first time I'm seeing this in this country. This is the first one in Kenya. Let us remember ancient Africa. We had our cultures, thriving economy. All right, this is the sitting room. Yeah, for those who still don't understand 3D, go check it out. It's the new technology now taking over from the conventional built houses, you know. This is the sitting room. That is the backyard. This is the kitchen. And if you love the tiles, you can still put tiles in your house. This is the bathroom, of course, as usual. Wow. This is the bedroom. 3D stuff, man. Check it out. Look at the walls. You know, layers and layers of cement. Looks good. We must achieve. Oh yes. This is the bedroom. Second bedroom. Wow. No more colonization and exploitation. My people, no more corruption and selfishness. My people, oh yeah. This is the back here. Yeah, you got it. 3D. Yebo. Yeah, once again, out of curiosity, and you know, this is the first 3D printed house in Kenya. This is revolutionary, and this is the new technology that is coming. I understand this technology is already taking place in Europe, especially Germany, and the US too. You know, there's a lot of things going on. So, but this is the first one, the first 3D printed house in Kenya. So be ready, because I'm gonna be putting an order for mine. This house takes 2 days to be finished, and you're done. You understand? From the conventional block built house to this one, 3D. Go check it out on Google what 3D printing means. You know, you're gonna check it out. Layer by layer of cement. It's only cement. And you're done with your house. 2 days, you move in. We are out. This is the African connection. Pa!